Guys, welcome back to the Merry Boozers RC channel. Today we're here with the brand new release of the Super Decathlon by OMP Hobbies, distributed by Buddy RC. Our friends over there sent it to us. We are super excited to be flying this today. This is on a 3000 4S LiPo battery. We have it all the way forward in the nose. If you watched our setup video, we're going to be taking this off in the half rates that we set up in our setup video. Flying on our Spectrum receiver. Everything's set up and should be great on it, guys. And this is just one of the most fantastic quality airplanes we have seen in a while come out. I mean, there is not any shortcuts done. You get an aluminum spinner. All the screws and hardware on this airplane go into countersunk metal receiving points. I mean, it's really well thought out. Carbon fiber around the hatches. Fantastic airplane, guys. So, a little bit of luck, here we go. Maiden flight, let's get this thing in the books. It's crosswind, we don't know how to fly if it ain't that way, so here we go. All right guys, here we go, taxiing out. We're here at the Webster Field. We're gonna test that suspension today, what little there is. It's always a little bumpy out here, but let's do it, Lori. Here we go, guys. I'm in low rate everything. You can see my control throws right there, not a lot. Here we go. And it takes off beautifully. Like I said, maiden flight. We do need some trim, so we're going to do that. Keeping it high for right now. We're at about half throttle. Couple clicks up. Like I said, I'm in the low rate right now and it's flying great. You guys that are going to want more of a scale performing airplane, you're going to want a lower rate in this. Don't want a lower rate. Don't want a lower rate. Now, I'm going to flip my elevator rate up. And here we go. So like I said, that's low. I'm going to go to mid. Oh no, I think I lost my hatch off the top. I don't see it. I think my hatch blew off. Oh no, I wonder where it went. I never even saw it come off. Oh well, all right, well, let's see how it is. Here we go. You know, guys, it's made to be an acrobatic airplane. High rates. Oh yeah, tons of throw. Tons and tons of throw. Wow. And it just stops into the wind. Holy cow. Like I said, for a maiden flight, not bad, right? You know, it's got performance, guys. Guys that had the big horn, it flies a lot like that. If anything, I feel like I might need a little more nose weight in it. It's not terrible, but it just could use a little bit more. I think it could use some trim too. Let me give it a little bit more up. As I've been getting used to it. Whee! Lots of throw though. Holy cow. Yank the wings off. And up. Gosh, you breathe on that rudder right now and it just rudders around everywhere. I'm gonna go back into a mid-rate now and just fly it calm. And you can see, guys, I mean, it's a mild to wild plane. You put it in a lower rate and it'll fly nice. I'm flying at about a quarter throttle right now. No gyro in the airplane. And it just calms right down. Back to high rate. Get ready, Laurie, and up. Wee! Just snaps everywhere if you want them for days. I'm trying to see how good Laurie is at filming right now. Laurie, have I lost you yet? No. I mean, I'm not no 3D pilot or anything, but I can whip one around pretty good. Keep it up high and it just don't get in any trouble. I kind of like it on high rates after I've gotten used to it. I got 30% expo on my high rate to keep that soft. All right, that's our 5-minute timer. This was a good maiden. Let's go see if we can't find our hatch somewhere. All right, turning it in. Woo, look at it turn into the wind right now. Ta-da! Where the heck did my hatch fall off? All right, guys, first flight is in the books. The airplane has tons and tons of power. Make sure your hatch is on there real good. I don't think it would actually fall off, but I don't know that I had it seated all the way. If you wanted to make sure, you can always tape it. But it's got 3 magnets, and maybe I just didn't have them all the way clicked in. But we did find it. A local club member was out here with us and was able to find it, so we are happy I don't have to make that again. And other than that, it was great. Let's see, I'm gonna give y'all a battery report. We were flying on a 3000 4S battery. That was right at 5 minutes when my timer went off. Plug it into my checker, 3850 a cell. So right at storage, you could have definitely flown longer. Oh, I always forget, some of you guys really like the percentage now. Let me give you a percentage too. There's still 40%. That's what the checker's showing on that. So, all in all, guys, I did not add any weight to the airplane with the 3000 all the way forward. It felt good. It didn't feel tail heavy to me. It actually felt like it could have used a little bit more even. One thing I would tell you, if you're not going to do crazy 3D, save some of the resolution on your servos, and they come all the way at the end of the arm. You can always move your ball link about halfway up the arm on your control rods. Let me hold this real quick. Laurie, can you zoom in right here? I know it's a long way out there. Your control rod comes with your link all the way at the end of the actual horn. There's 3 other holes here. If you were to move it down to this inner hole, you would get a lot more resolution and less travel, making the airplane less crazy. Because in high rates, this thing's crazy. So, anyway, I kind of, like a guy that has a Timber X, one of the other members here said that, it's a lot like a Timber X is what it feels like for guys that have one of those, but it's made out of balsa. So, anyway, we're out here in our long pants today for you guys. We just got it. It's release day today. We're filming it, and we're freezing out here. Brr! So, like, share, subscribe, get out there and fly with your friends. We'll see y'all in the next episode of the Merry Boozers. Bye.